And to do so, you need to go to your application settings, locate Facebook, and tap on application info and stop it from running. I will show you how to retrieve your Facebook password on your devices. After logging in into your Facebook account for a certain period of time, we tend to forget the password that we've used when we sign up after a very long period of time. And in this video, I'll show you how to retrieve the password. The first thing that we need to do is to ensure that your Facebook application is not running on your mobile devices. And therefore, we need to stop the application from running in the background. And to do so, you need to go to your application settings, locate Facebook, and tap on application info and stop it from running in the background. After that, we'll have to locate our Gmail account because we need to go into our Google settings account. That's where we have the manager that manages all the password from that specific device. Open your Gmail application. Within the Gmail account, locate the top right corner and select Manage your Google account to access the account settings. Within your Google account settings, scroll down and find the security section. Now we need to access the password manager which is stored within our Google account. This contains all the passwords that are on this specific device. In the password manager, you'll discover a list of websites and applications that are associated with your Google account. Search for and click on the facebook.com to see the stored Facebook application password. Thanks guys for watching this video. We really appreciate your support. Please click on the like button and subscribe if you find that this was helpful. Cheers and see you next time.